Yeah, let's see. After our little ice storm, we got a couple inches of snow. There's your snow, Jess. Not too much. Well, it looks like it's melting off. This is slippery. This is all icy crap. Let's see what my... Oh, I came out here at a good time. It's all starting to melt. Oh. Not this. Shit. This is all ice. Well, this is going to be fun. I'm going to have to actually get my scraper out. I was hoping I didn't have to. But this is all pure ice. Okay, that's cold on the hand. Okay, well, time to scrape the van, I guess. Darn it. I was hoping I didn't have to. But yeah, a nice little ice storm, but it's starting to melt already, so that's a good thing. So let's get cleaning. Alright. Let's see what we can... Oh, I got my van started, so maybe the windows are starting to warm up a little bit. Well, we gotta take the ice scraper and get all this crap off. So this is the fun of winter living. See, you just let the defrosters run for a little bit, let it start warming up so that it's easier to get off. This part bites. So yeah, if anybody wants to come to Wisconsin and clear off my windows, I'm getting big chunks now. See if I can get a chunk of ice. That's how thick the ice is on my windshield. See how thick that is. That's what I gotta scrape off. Alright, I best get to work. If I had a remote start, I could have started it and most of it would have been melted. But yeah, that's how thick the ice is that's on my windshield. Later. Here, let's show you this. Even the lights are full of ice. You want to make sure you get that cleaned off. You want other people to see you coming. But look, even on the top of the van, it's very important. This is all ice that I'm scraping off. Yeah, get all this cleared off because you don't want shards of this ice. See? It's ice. You don't want shards of ice breaking off and hitting your windshield while you're driving. So I gotta finish getting this cleared off, and then we will attempt the roads. Main roads should be pretty much okay. Side roads, you know. So, alright, now I gotta get back and finish clearing this off.